Roots are collected by plowing the field. Okay, by plowing the field, the roots are collected by uplifting, that is uplifting the roots. That is, the soil is plowed, that is, it is digging. The soil is dug, and the roots are uplifted, and roots are washed. Why? Because it is present in soil, na? Washed, air dried, and packed in bales. Okay, so this is done. This is how the collection is done. Stems are cut above the ground level. Stems, flowers, seeds are air dried. Roots are collected by plowing the field by uplifting the roots. Then the roots are washed, air dried, and packed in the bales. So this is how we are collecting the whole plant and preparing for the market. Okay, and how we are preparing it for the market, that is preparation for the market, how it is done. This is totally collection, preparation for market. So how we are preparing this for the market? Nothing we can do, that is what are useful in this vinca totally, that is alkaloids. Okay, so how the alkaloids are extracted, that is the preparation for the market. Okay, so vinca alkaloids are very less. Okay, very less. So it is used for pharmacological significance. Okay, very less quantity of the vinca alkaloids are obtained from the vinca, so it is used for the pharmacological significance and not used as a galenical. Why? Because the quantity of the alkaloids are obtained is very less. Okay, I will tell you how much quantity is obtained also. So how the vinca alkaloids are extracted and how they are obtained. Okay, it is obtained by extracted by column chromatography. Extracted by column chromatography and also tissue culture techniques. Okay, so this is how the it is prepared for the market. So vinca alkaloids are very less in quantity, so it is used for pharmacological significance, extracted by the column chromatography and the tissue culture techniques. Okay, so this is how we are preparing it for the market. Very less quantity of the alkaloid is obtained from the vinca. Okay, so and coming to the other things, so we have finished cultivation, collection, and preparation for the market. Okay, so this is the only lengthy thing, the others are very easy. And coming to the macroscopic and the microscopic characters. Macroscopy is nothing but macro, that is which is very large, which we can see with your eyes. So what we can see with our eyes, the color, whatever the shape and all, we can see with your eyes. So coming to the color of the leaf or flower or whatever it may be, color. So color of the leaf is green and color of the flower, it is, the flowers are sometimes white or pink. Two types of flowers are present. Next, color of the root, it is pale gray in color. So this is about the color. Next, color order, that is smell. Order, coming to the order, it is having characteristic order. Okay, so that is, it is having some characteristic smell. Next, taste, it is bitter. Okay, This is the macroscopy, that is color, order, taste. Next, coming to the shapes. So shape and other things also comes under the macroscopy. So coming to the leaf shape, leaf we are talking. Leaf, ovate, that is oval oval shape, oblong, petiolate. It contains petiole. Petiole means stalk. Leaf contains stalk. Stalk లేని వాటిని sessile అంటారు. Petiole is which contains a stalk. Ovate, oblong, petiolate, and with reticulate venation. I think if you are clear with the botany which you have studied in the intermediate first year and second year, you can easily understand this venation. Venation is nothing but two types of venation will be there. One is yes, one of them is the reticulate venation. That is, reticulate is nothing but it will be like network. So, okay, that is called as the venation. Venation is nothing but simply I am showing. If you are considering this as a leaf, this is petiole, and which is contain, this is venation. Okay, if it is present in the form of that is network, it is called as the reticulate venation. Okay, reticulate venation. Next, what are the other things? Ovate, oblong, petiolate with reticulate venation, and glossy appearance with glossy appearance. That is, the leaf appears shiny. Okay, it will be like shining. Okay, ovate, oblong with acute apex. That is, the end will be acute, apex will be acute. That is tapering. So ovate, oblong, petiolate, with reticulate venation with glossy appearance and acute apex. This is about the leaf. Next, coming to the flower. Flower is complete. Okay, so total complete entire flower complete pedicellate. Pedicel, లీఫ్ కి పీటియోల్ ఎలా స్టాక్ అవుతుందో ఫ్లవర్ కి పెడిసిల్ ఈజ్ అ స్టాక్ ఆఫ్ ద లీఫ్ ఈజ్ petiole, stalk of the flower is pedicel. Complete pedicellate, bisexual, or you can call hermaphrodite. Two names. Bisexual means it contains both andrecium and gynoecium. Ante stamens untayi as well as it contains the style. Okay, so style ante ovary. It contains bisexual. The flower is bisexual. That is, it is having the both male and female reproductive systems. That is andrecium and gynoecium. Andrecium means stamen, gynoecium means what you can call a ovary, style and stigma. So this is the bisexual flower complete with the pedicel. Okay, and what is the arrangement? It is an cymose. Cymose means single flower. Okay, so each కొన్ని క్లస్టర్స్ లాగా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్లవర్స్ మీకు గుర్తుంటే ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో చదివింటారు. సైమోస్, యాక్సిలరీ సైమోస్, అండ్ some simple cymose. Okay, so this is an axillary cymose with single flower on each pedicel. Okay, so it is called as the cymose. The type of the flower is cymose, and this is about the flower. Okay, and coming to the fruit. Fruit is, the type of the fruit is follicle with black seeds inside it. Okay, this is fruit. Types of fruits kuda chadivintaru. This is the name of the fruit is called as the follicle. Okay, so again, if I am going to explain all the fruit type of the fruits, botanyలోకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి మళ్ళీ. it takes a long time. It is a chapter. If you take fruits, dried fruits ఉంటాయి, fleshy fruits ఉంటాయి. Fleshy fruitsలో మళ్ళీ these types will be there. Drupe, Hesperidium, and example of hesperidium is orange. And false fruits ఉంటాయి, ట్రూ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి, డ్రై ఫ్రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి. డ్రై ఫ్రూట్స్లో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ డ్రైడ్ ఫ్రూట్ ఫాలికల్. డ్రైడ్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ విల్ give seeds when it is I mean when it gets dried up. Okay, this is a follicle type. The nature of the fruit is follicle with number of black seeds. Okay, so this is the type of the fruit. This is the complete macroscopy. మ్యాక్రోస్కోపీలో ఏం చదివాము? కలర్, లీఫ్ కలర్, ఫ్లవర్ కలర్, రూట్ కలర్, ఆర్డర్, టేస్ట్, నెక్స్ట్ షేప్స్, లీఫ్ షేప్, ఇంకా వాటి మొత్తం మార్ఫాలజీ అంటారు ఇది. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్లవర్ మార్ఫాలజీ, నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రూట్ మార్ఫాలజీ. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కంప్లీట్ మ్యాక్రోస్కోపీ. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద మైక్రోస్కోపీ. Microscopy. So macroscopy is which we can see everything with your eyes. Microscopy is nothing but with the help of the microscope only you are going to see the leaf. Leaf అనగానే you have to remember what are the things that are present in the leaf. చదివింటారు, 10th క్లాస్ నుండి చదువుతున్నారు. లీఫ్లో ఏముంటాయి? లీఫ్లో ఉండేది ఏంటి? ఎపిడర్మిస్ ఉంటుంది. ఎపిడర్మిస్లో ట్రైకోమ్స్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా, whether it is covered by cuticle or not, and that after epidermis will contain పాలిసేడ్. పాలిసేడ్లో 2 టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఉంటుంది. పాలిసేడ్ పారెన్కైమా ఉంటుంది, స్పాంజీ పారెన్కైమా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద మిడిల్ పార్ట్, xylem, phloem. After xylem and phloem we are going to discuss about the lower epidermis, that is the complete and midrib. This is the complete microscopy of the leaf. So leaf lo chudam. First layer is epidermis. అప్పర్ ఎపిడర్మిస్. ఫస్ట్ లేయర్ ఈజ్ అప్పర్ ఎపిడర్మిస్. ఎలా ఉంటుంది అది? అప్పర్ ఎపిడర్మిస్ ఈజ్ సింగిల్ లేయర్డ్ విత్ రెక్టాంగులర్ cells, okay, with unicellular covering trichomes. Trichomes are nothing but hairs. Okay, this is about the microscopy. First layer present is upper epidermis. Upper epidermis ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Single layered with rectangular cells with unicellular covering trichomes. Next, second layer, palisade. Palisade parenchyma will be there. Palisade parenchyma. Next, third layer, 5 to 8 layers of spongy parenchyma. Okay, third layer వచ్చేసి 5 to 8 layers ఉంటాయి. 5 to 8 layers of spongy parenchyma. Next, fourth layer is midrib. Midrib లో xylem and phloem are present. Sorry, fourth layer is xylem and phloem. Next, midrib లో ఏముంటుంది? Midrib has collenchyma. Okay, so I think you have idea about the collenchyma. 3 types of the tissues are present: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Parenchyma is present in almost all the soft tissues like fruits lo, pulp lo కానీ, లేకపోతే యంగ్ లీవ్స్లో కానీ, యంగ్ లీవ్స్లో ఈ పారెన్కైమా ఉంటుంది. పాలిసేడ్ పారెన్కైమా, స్పాంజీ పారెన్కైమా. స్పాంజీ పారెన్కైమాని ఏరెన్కైమా అని కూడా అంటాం. ఓకే, వై? బికాస్ స్పేసెస్ ఆర్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ది పారెన్కైమా. పాలిసేడ్ ఈస్ కాంపాక్ట్లీ అరేంజ్డ్ పారెన్కైమా. Parenchyma is totally smooth tissue. Collenchyma. Collenchyma is nothing but it is a tissue that is present inside all the young stems as well as in the midribs. Okay, which is able to bend. Okay, due to the presence of the ఎయిర్ స్పేసెస్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ద కోలెన్కైమా. కోలెన్కైమా దేంట్లో ఉంటుందంటే ఏదైతే బెండ్ అవుతుందో ప్రతి బెండ్ అయ్యే స్టెమ్లో కానీ మిడ్రిబ్లో కానీ కోలెన్కైమా ఉంటుంది. కోలెన్కైమా ఈజ్ ద టిష్యూ దట్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ బెండింగ్ ద యంగ్ స్టెమ్స్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ది ఎనీ యంగ్ midribs. Okay, that is collenchyma is present in the midrib. Next, lower epidermis. Okay, lower epidermis. Lower epidermis also contains single layered rectangular cells. Single layered rectangular cells with cruciferous stomata. So you know what are stomata? Stomata is the opening present in the leaf which is useful for the transpiration. మనం ఎలా అయితే లంగ్స్తో రెస్పిరేషన్ తీసుకుంటామో లీఫ్ ఆల్సో బ్రీత్స్ by the help of the stomata. You know, stomata is made up of the two guard cells and the opening between the guard cells is called as the stomata. రెండు కిడ్నీ షేప్డ్ గార్డ్ సెల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ గార్డ్ సెల్స్ మధ్యలో స్పేస్ ఉంటుంది. దాట్ స్పేస్ is called as the stomata. Okay, so with the help of the stomata is nothing but the opening of the leaf, small opening which is useful for the respiration of the leaf is called as the transpiration. So type of the stomata ikkada cruciferous stomata. Cruciferous and anamocytic, anisocytic, different types of stomata ఉంటాయి which you have seen in the earlier classes. అంటే షేప్ ఆఫ్ ది గార్డ్ సెల్ని బట్టి స్టొమాటాని డిసైడ్ చేస్తాం. కిడ్నీ షేప్డ్ ఉంటే ఒకటి, and if different types of the stomata will be there. Cruciferous stomata, just go through what is cruciferous stomata. Okay, I will ask it in the next class, what is cruciferous stomata. So single layered rectangular cells with the cruciferous stomata is present in the lower epidermis. Upper epidermis lo there is no stomata, only trichomes are present. Unicellular covering trichomes are present, whereas in the lower epidermis extra feature is cruciferous stomata. Okay, and calcium oxalate crystals are absent. Calcium oxalate crystals are absent. This is the